Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. At a time when many are facing economic challenges, it's good to get a nice and affordable deal every once in a while. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house comes with spacious living area, kitchen and veranda. It is located in the quiet and peaceful area of Enfield Meadows, Manchester. The land area is approximately 10,915 square feet. It is a good starter family home with the potential to become your dream home. You will not want to miss this deal. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 15 million or US $97.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.